These dang chickens. Part of the kids' Easter things. Gifts. They got chickens. Don't touch them. Leave them alone, Jaden. Marquita, they didn't climb out the thing. What y'all think y'all doing? Y'all think y'all grown? Huh? Y'all worms was up there, and I don't touch y'all. So I don't really know why y'all would climb away from y'all slow. You lost them. God Lord. Marquita, I don't know how to. They climbed out. Here, I'm gonna try to. I don't know how to put. I thought they. Okay, I'm about to say I don't know how to put these things. How you pick them up like a dog? Stop! Don't chase me. I'm not your mother.
You don't chase me.
I'm not.
Jaden, stop.
Stop, Jaden.
Jaden.
Relax.
You chase me.
I'm not your mom, so you chase her.
Come on.
You just live here.
Come
I'm
on.
like, I'm not trying to pick it up like from the back of the neck like dogs. How do you pick this thing
Just
up?
put your hand out. They should climb on your hand.
Ooh, no.
Oh, they don't want to go back in. They out here.
Oh, I thought the worms was in there. Oh, y'all think y'all grown?
Mm-hmm.
Y'all not grown.
Jaden,
Jo-
put your foot down.
You best not.
I'm a cracker.
Y'all, TT here.
Come on.
Darcy here.
Y'all go say surprise to her like you said.
What? Y'all think y'all grown for real? Where y'all at all up? Go find your worms. Huh? Y'all grown?
No, they right there.
Who are you getting? Y'all getting big. Oh my gosh. Y'all gonna get.
Right?
Y'all gonna be some fat. Yeesh. Good.